All right. In response to, should I vacuum my pool on filter or waste? The question is, can I remove my pump strainer when vacuuming in waste mode? I assume you mean the pump basket.
That's what they mean.
I would not.
Why wouldn't you?
Well, I would not, because if I'm vacuuming debris from the bottom of the pool and anything gets picked up, then it's going to miss the basket in the pump and get stuck in the impeller.
So basically what you're saying is if you didn't have the basket in there, you're going to really quickly pack that impeller and now you have bigger problems.
Right, pack the impeller and you'll either burn out your pump or you'll
have to take it all apart
the
and fix it.
ability to vacuum.
Yeah, don't do
leave it
that.
there.
You definitely want to have that basket in.
Yeah.
At times you don't have your basket in your skimmer when you're vacuuming because you go to the bottom of the skimmer. It's still even better to use a vac plate and catch that debris in the basket itself in the skimmer. But worst case scenario, take that one out, put it into your vac into the bottom of the skimmer, but never run it without the pump basket in.
Yep.
Good
There you
luck.
go.